Did sex once feel fun and enjoyable, and now it feels full of worry, like it's a test? There is the part of you that wants to get back to how things used to be, where sex felt fun and it brought joy to you both. And then there's the other part right now that avoids sex because it can feel embarrassing, it can feel awkward. What if it doesn't work again? What if I fail again? And we feel like we're letting our partner down. In this video, I'm going to explain why we worry about sex, and more importantly, how to stop worrying about sex so that we're able to get back to how it used to be and enjoy the moment again. I fixed performance anxiety for myself. I've spent the last 4 years understanding this, and I've worked with guys from every continent in the world, apart from Antarctica, to be able to fix sexual performance anxiety. So let's talk about this feeling of worry when it comes to sex. Now, this may come into your mind right before it's about to happen. It may be hours or even days before. We start to think, what if things don't go to plan? It didn't work last time. How do I know if it's going to work again? And sometimes we feel like this is all we can think about. Whether it is challenges with our erections or challenges when it comes to ejaculation, there is this constant feeling of worry. It feels like a heavy weight on our shoulders that we're carrying around, and we want to be able to desperately do something about this. Perhaps we've been searching online, we've been watching videos, reading articles, trying different things to try and get this sorted, but yet the same feelings keep on coming back up of dread, this sinking feeling, this pit in the bottom of our stomach. What are they really thinking about me? So with all this said, it makes sense that we would feel worried when it comes to sex. Based on actual experiences, it's right that we feel apprehensive. It's right that sometimes we avoid sex because we have experienced emotional pain and we don't want to feel the uncomfortability, the awkwardness, the embarrassment. But yet there is this part of us that wants to be able to get this sorted, that wants to be present with our partner again, that wants to feel confident in the bedroom, where we want to feel like we can be confident in our own body and just being able to satisfy our partner. Because when we have great, incredible sex, things feel awesome. So the real reason that there is this uncontrollable feeling of worry that keeps coming up into the mind is because the body is going into a stress state when it comes to intimacy. Right now, our mind is running a code that says sex equals stress, sex equals worry, sex equals embarrassment. And triggers for our mind to remember that could be going into the bedroom. It could be when our partner makes a move on us, when they kiss us, or when they move their hand on us in a certain way. It could be when they send a sexy message. These are all mini triggers that kick in this cycle of fear, this cycle of self-doubt. What if it happens again? This is why the worry happens, because it's based on, as we said, real experiences, and it is a gradual buildup of intensity in our nervous system. Our body is designed this way, so when there are painful experiences from our past, that we remember that and avoid it. Think of when you're a kid, right? If we put our finger on top of a burning stove or something really hot, we remember that that was a painful experience and we do not do it again. And the opposite way, the first time that, imagine if a kid dipped their finger in some icing sugar and tasted it, they're probably going to like it quite a lot. And so we remember that, oh, that was fun, that tasted good. It's exactly the same with sex. When we have bad experiences, our mind codes it as something that we should avoid because we don't want that to happen again. And when we have really good experiences, we want it to happen again. So the fact that this worry is there is normal, but the real question is, what do we do about it? Because we don't want to keep on going into the bedroom with this sense of worry. And to be able to get that sorted, we have to figure out what is going on for us personally. I mentioned at the beginning that we can be stuck in this cycle of watching endless videos online or articles, and a lot of that is quite generic advice. Even this video right now, okay, you're in the right place, but it's still not specific yet to you as an individual. So it's not the thing in its own, this understanding, that's going to get this sorted. We have to figure out what's going on for you personally. So I would like to invite you to the free performance anxiety quiz. This is 10 yes or no questions that you can answer that will show you what is going on for you as an individual. Is this performance anxiety or is it something else? And how to start getting this sorted. This is truly the first step to being able to have sex that feels enjoyable, pleasurable, and fun again, and being able to satisfy your partner. It's about getting to the bottom of what's going on for you personally. So if this sounds good, in the comments section below, in the details, you will see the link to the performance anxiety quiz. When you click on the link, it will take you straight to the page where you can answer those 10 yes or no questions, and then you will see what's going on for you. I look forward to seeing you right there.